Shabir is going to be the man on strike now. Can use the long handle, can really step on the gas. He's got to change gears. Not much time left in this innings now. Oh, whacking that one on the onside. That's going to be a 4. Good strike. Exactly what the need of the hour is. Exactly what the doctor ordered for the Heroes.
Neetu Chandra in the dugout praising the efforts of Shabir Ahluwalia. He's been a star in soaps, he's been a star in sitcoms, and he's emerging as a star in this cause as well. A welcome boundary for the Mumbai Heroes. But 9 balls remaining in this innings, and the Mumbai Heroes would perhaps not like to waste even a single ball from here on. Well, he tries to go for the big one again. Intercepted by the fielder, will manage just a single.
You know, just thought that a man like Shabir, who can strike some big shots, would have been promoted up the order. A few smiles returning back. That's good to see.
Kavita Kaushik and Velusha D'Souza, they're in the dugout, supporting the Mumbai Heroes. Showing a lot of support for these two guys. The penultimate ball did not lead to much of an impact. The last ball of the over, and this is going to go right down to the wire.
Has had a good day so far, Alexander. He's done well with the bat in the first game. Once again, playing on the onside. And that's a very good catch. That's a terrific catch. Take that beauty. Very nicely judged in the deep. Not the easiest of catches. That's going to be an important wicket as well. The 4th one falling for the Heroes, and they're delighted. Very good anticipation. Just thought that was connected well enough. Just taking his left foot away, making room for himself. But just see that for a catch. Very nicely judged. The timing of the jump as well. Perfect. Keeping his balance, keeping his composure. And Shabir has to walk back. Caught by Shafiq, out for 7. Is 78 for 4.
78 for 4. A brilliant catch taken in the last ball of the previous over. And Apurv Lakhia, the director, is the man in the middle of the crease. 78 is the score, and 6 more balls to go, and every ball, every shot, every instant will count from here on. And Arun is the bowler who's back for his 2nd over, and Navraj is still holding strong, still holding fort. Has come up with a brilliant performance, has played with a lot of gumption and a lot of serenity to bring the Mumbai Heroes to this sane total.
He's a useful all-rounder. Apurv Lakhia, decent bowler. But the problem is not too many deliveries remaining in the last over. Round the corner, going to be Arun Beni now. Conceded 12 runs in his first over. The man on strike is going to be the left-hander, the southpaw, Apurv Lakhia. Just wants to be very precise regarding the field setting. Also, it's a fielder at short fine leg. Can't be straight down the leg side. That's a good delivery. Very good delivery. Right in the block hole. Tough for the new batsman in. Not going to be easy for him, Apurv Lakhia.
Absolutely right, Ajay. That was a brilliant delivery. Couldn't manage to get his bat around that ball. Well, that only makes the target even harder. 5 balls remaining, and they still haven't reached a total which perhaps can be a little apprehensive for the opposition to chase, and that's a welcome 4 from the bat of Apurv Lakhia. A handy all-rounder, a good bowler and a good batsman. This is the situation that he's cut out for, and this is the situation he has to capitalize on. 4 balls remaining, and he needs to make it count for every ball.
अब फाइन लेग का फील्डर आप सर्कल के अंदर रख रहे हैं और फिर मिडल और लेग की लाइन कर रहे हैं तो मुश्किलें होंगी बतौर गेंदबाज। वही कप्तान ने उनको कहा कि ऑस्ट्रम के बाहर करी जो पहली गेंद की थी ये बेहतर। अब वहां पे प्रोटेक्शन है आपके पास। ओ मुश्किल, ये मुश्किल है। और अपने साथी से काफी निराश, नवराज से काफी निराश कि वापस नहीं आए। मुड़े जरूर थे, 2 रन लेना चाहते और अब यही बात करें राजा के साथ भी, ये उनकी कॉल है। देखिए कैसे मुड़े वहां पे और अच्छी थ्रो।
इसको कहते हैं क्लासिक goof up। जब तेलुगु टीम खेल रही थी तभी हमने सचिन जोशी और कप्तान अखिल अकिनेनी के बीच में 3-4 बार ऐसे फंबल्स होते हुए देखे जहां पे कम्युनिकेशन गैप की वजह से एक सेट बैट्समैन आउट होने की कगार पर आ गया था। और यहां पर ऐसा ही हुआ। गुस्सा दिखाते हुए a livid Apoorv Lakhia, he could have salvaged the situation. He's probably trying to tell his captain that it was not his fault and he could have made a difference had he not lost his wicket. Sharad is the new man in the middle, and let's see if he can make a difference or not, or perhaps just rotate strike and give Navraj the lead.
Sharad Kelkar, the new batsman, in 83 for 5, half the side back at the heart, but just 3 balls remaining now in this innings. He's really disappointed. Oh, knocking timber, striking timber. That's good bowling. You miss, I hit. And that's exactly what Arun Benny has done. The set man who was there for a long time, Navraj, trying to play on the onside, just trying to close the bat face, missing the line and disturbing the furniture here. Wanted a good over, Heroes, but they lost a few wickets. Hans going back for 28. It's 83 for 6.
रन बन चुके हैं 6 विकेट के नुकसान पर और जय भानुशाली नए बल्लेबाज हैं। सिर्फ 2 गेंदों में क्या कर सकते हैं ये देखना दिलचस्प रहेगा। एक अच्छे सेट बैट्समैन नवराज हंस का एग्जिट हुआ है, वापस डगआउट गए हैं वो। और जैसा कि हमने फरमाया कि केरला ने जिस क्लिनिकल परफॉर्मेंस का आज प्रदर्शन किया है पहले और दूसरे मैच में, वो काबिले तारीफ है। फैंस अभी तक डटे हुए हैं, देर रात है, अभी तक जुड़े हुए हैं अपनी टीम को सपोर्ट करने के लिए। क्रिसमस ईव पर भी इस स्टेडियम में उनका साथ दे रहे हैं। और एक झलक मिल जाए अपने फेवरेट सितारे की, क्योंकि ये है सेलिब्रिटी क्रिकेट लीग, एक झलक मिल जाए अपने सितारे की, अपने आइडल की, उसी राह में ये इतनी देर रात तक ये मैच का लुत्फ उठा रहे हैं।
मिस किया, चूके, दौड़े और ये रन पूरा करेंगे। तो सोच यही थी कि कुछ भी हो जाए वो रन लेना है। डेंजर एंड पे दौड़े थे शरद। अगर आप मुंबई हीरोज की बात करें 64 पे 2 थे और उसके बाद अब 84 पे 6, तो बहुत जल्दी विकेट गंवाए हैं अंतिम ओवर्स में। अब अंतिम गेंद अब आनी बाकी इस इनिंग्स की। ब्लॉक होल में और लीजिए एक और विकेट। बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी अरुण द्वारा। ब्लॉक होल में सटीक यॉर्कर और 7वां विकेट भी गिरता हुआ हीरोज का। तो केवल 85 रन चाहिए होंगे केरला स्ट्राइकर्स को मैच जीतने के लिए और प्रवेश करने के लिए फाइनल में। और ये थी अंतिम विकेट, बिल्कुल जड़ पे जिसको कहते हैं, अच्छी गति के साथ ब्लॉक होल भी बहुत कठिन रहता है क्योंकि अभी भी आए थे शरद, ज्यादा सेट नहीं हो पाए और वापस जाते हुए अपना खाता भी नहीं खोला शरद ने। 0 पे आउट हुए। 10 ओवर के बाद मुंबई हीरोज 84 पे 7।